Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a fully funded master's in France, you need to stop everything you are doing and watch this video right now. We are talking about the ENS de Lyon Ampere Scholarship. This is one of the most prestigious scholarships in the entire French education system. As you can see on the screen, this scholarship pays you 1,000 euros every single month for the entire duration of your master's degree. That is enough to cover your rent, your food, and your living expenses in Lyon. But here is the bad news. The deadline is January 23rd, 2026. You have very few days left, but the good news is the application is simple. There is no separate scholarship application. You apply for admission and you tick a box for the scholarship. Today, I am going to walk you through the official portal, show you exactly how to apply for the Ampere Scholarship, and also touch on the Million Scholarship for math students. I will also briefly mention the ENS Paris International Selection, just so you know the difference, because people always confuse them. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is UCAM once again. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. We find the best fully funded opportunities and bring them to you. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for the constant support. Let's get into the meat of this video.
So let's look at the details. We are at the École Normale Supérieure de Lyon, ENS de Lyon. This is an elite Grande École, not just a regular university. The Ampere Scholarship. Amount 1,000 euros per month. Duration 12 months. It is renewable for your second year, M2, if you perform well. Who is it for? It is for master's programs in exact sciences, the arts, and human and social sciences. If you are a student in mathematics or computer science, there is an even more specific one called the MILYON Scholarship. It also pays 1,000 euros per month. The best part? You do not need to pay any tuition fees if you are selected for these excellence tracks. Now, who can apply? Pay attention here because ENS is strict. Nationality. It is open to international students. You must not be a French citizen. Age. This is crucial. You must be born after January 1st, 2000. If you are older than 26, you are unfortunately not eligible for this specific scholarship. Education. If you are applying for Master's Year 1, M1, you need a bachelor's degree, or equivalent to 180 ECTS. If you are applying for Master's Year 2, M2, you need a first-year master's degree. Language. For the sciences, English is usually sufficient. You will need to provide a certificate like IELTS or TOEFL. For arts and humanities, you often need to prove proficiency in French. Check the specific master's program requirements. Okay, how do we apply? This is the secret sauce. You don't send emails, you don't fill out a PDF and mail it. You must use the CADENS web application. Step 1. Go to the CADENS website. Step 2. Create an account. Step 3. Start a new application. You will see an option that says Master's Degree and Scholarship of Excellence. You must select this. If you select the wrong form, you won't be considered for the money. Documents you need to upload. Passport or ID. CV, curriculum vitae. Make it strong. Motivation letter. This is where you win or lose. Explain why you want to do research at ENS de Lyon specifically. University transcripts. These must be in French or English. If they are in another language, get them translated and certified. Recommendation letters. You will enter the email addresses of 2 professors. The system will send them a link to upload their letters. Make sure you contact them immediately because the deadline is January 23rd.
For my math and computer science wizards, there is a special pot of money called MILYON. This is funded by the L'ABEX MILYON Laboratoire d'Excellence. It is the same deal, 1,000 euros a month. The application is usually integrated into the same process, but sometimes they request specific additional details. Just keep an eye out for Million or Graduate Plus options when you are selecting your master's track in mathematics or fundamental computer science.
Quickly, I want to clear up a common confusion. There is ENS de Lyon, which we just talked about, open until Jan 23, and there is ENS Paris, PSL. People often mix them up. ENS Paris also has an international selection scholarship that pays €1,000 a month for 3 years and gives you a room on campus in Paris. However, their deadlines are usually in December. If you are watching this in January, you have likely missed the Paris cycle for this year, but ENS Lyon is still open. So, do not waste time crying about Paris, focus on Lyon. The degree is just as prestigious and the money is real.
So, let's recap. Opportunity: ENS de Lyon Ampere Scholarship. Value: €1,000 per month plus no tuition. Deadline: January 23, 2026. Action: go to cadens.ens-lyon.fr, create your account, and upload your document tonight. Do not wait for the last day. The server might crash. Your professors might be slow with references. Start now. All the official links are in the description below. No third-party agents, only the official school links. I want to see your success stories in the comments in March when the results come out. Good luck, get to work. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the top. Bye-bye for now. Cheers.